Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making oxtail and beans, Jamaican style. The measurement will be in the box below. I'm going to begin to season my oxtail now. I have my oil heated here, and I'm going to transfer the oxtail to the pot. I'm going to cover now for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will now transfer my meat to the pressure cooker for about 25 minutes. Then I will add some boiling water. After 25 minutes of pressuring, I transfer back my meat, my pot, and I will now add some natural seasoning, which is onion, carrot, thyme, ginger, Escallion, tomato. And this will cook for about 10 minutes. Then after, I will add my butter bean. Okay, I'll be adding the butter bean for about 3 minutes, and then it's finished. I'm going to taste. Perfect. You need nothing more. This is the finished dish. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.